Hello, my name is Chloroplast. I am running for president in the 2017 organelle elections. Although all organelles may seem important, I am by far the most essential in a cell. Let me begin by describing myself and what I'm made of. Two membranes protect my insides, which consist of the stroma and the grana. The stroma is a liquid that contains my unique DNA, ribosomes, and enzymes. Each granum consists of a stack of thylakoids, flat sacs full of lumen. In the thylakoid membranes, green pigments called chlorophyll reside. This is where a little something called photosynthesis takes place, but I'll discuss that later. Each sac is connected by stromal lamellae. The lamellae act like my skeleton, keeping all of the sacs a safe distance from each other so I can function as efficiently as possible. I need to make sure I function efficiently because I have an incredibly important job. My life's purpose is to create food for plants out of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. This process is called photosynthesis. I'm sure you've heard of it. Photosynthesis is actually two processes. Through the Calvin cycle, I take carbon dioxide and make it into sugar, and through light reactions, I take light energy from the sun and make it into ATP and NADPH. It's because of photosynthesis that plants can live. Plants are the basis of all life on the planet, and without them, there would be no oxygen, no food, and no life at all. This is why who I am and what I do is so essential to everyone on Earth. I'm important for every living thing, not just a cell. I'm important to the plant, the animal who eats that plant, the animal that eats that one, and on up the food chain and throughout the ecosystem. As you can see, I'm an incredibly important and hard-working organelle. Without me, the cell would not be able to function. My fellow organelles would have no energy to do their own jobs. The cell would basically fall apart. My importance to the Earth as a whole makes me a better candidate than the other organelles, as without me, there would be no life. So please vote for me, Chloroplast, this election. And remember, you can't last without Chloroplast, and Chloroplast can't last without your vote.